it's a bunch of like on today's video. On today's video, we're going to trim this front bumper. Every time we've been going out on the trail with the flex, and now we've cut the front fenders, the tire hits, and you can actually see where the rust here, where it's taken off the paint because the wheel rubs it. So we're gonna get the Batal out. We're gonna trim it up real nice, and we have a little creative way where we're gonna put the end cap back on it. So let's get started.
So I'm trying to figure out how far we want to take our, obviously these were hitting there like we said, right?
Right.
But what I don't want to do is take it back too far and have our tire come up and hit our fender instead of our bumper. So I think maybe just take it back like 3/4 of an inch maybe, and then just go at the same angle that our bumper was before. And that'll get us quite a bit farther back. I mean, it'll get us almost back as far as the fender is. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? I guess I just start cutting it. And I can always shape it up with the
sander, grinder?
Yeah, with the sander, yeah. Okay, nervous. It's just this thing is violent.
It is violent.
Just want to make sure that I'm getting the right, I don't want to go too far and have our tire hit our fender. That would suck big time. I think I got a good plan. Okay. All right, here we go. Sip of Monster.
Because it's mother effing monster time.
Yeah. Jerry. Mother effing monster time.
That's it, babe.
Oh, gloves. I'm fogging up a little bit. Oh man.
What's that?
I am used to holding it way farther up here. I almost put my hand into it. Yep.
Woo! Check you out,
Done, son.
man.
Nobody can talk to me about no PPE today.
Not today.
Right. Now it's kind of a pretty good angle there.
That's really good.
But I can shave it up with the straighten up with the flap disc. You know what I mean? It's angled like that pretty good. See what I'm talking about?
Yep.
But I can straighten that up.
Well done, babe.
All right. You ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready? Are you ready?
All right.
So guys, we bought some washers yesterday.
It's like Kermit the Frog with these.
Gloves on.
Right, I can't really.
And we scored a couple washers in the Walmart parking lot too.
All right,
So we're gonna use a washer as the end cap.
Yeah, that'll be perfect.
And we'll weld it on there.
Yeah, we're gonna weld it on. We'll weld in that little hole.
Yep.
And then it's a good thing we got a bunch of them.
Yes, of course.
And then we'll end cap our deal, and then we'll grind it down so it's smooth.
I think that was a great idea you came up with, babe.
Okay.
How fun.
Yeah, I think that'll work just right.
That'll be fun.
Yeah. So I'm still, see that gap right there?
Yes.
So I'm off a little bit still there. There we go. Close enough for government work, huh?
Nice.
Yeah, look at that. That'll work.
Look at
Then we got a
you.
good angle on it. So now we got to
Get the paint off of
I
it.
mean, that's pretty good right there. I mean, I
Right.
guess just a piece of sandpaper. Oh, you usually got a little chunk of sandpaper under somewhere. Okay. All right.
So are we gonna pour or?
Well, I mean, I guess I don't know what we'll do with that. I mean, we don't have to worry about that because it'll all be welded, and then we'll just have to. I mean, we're not gonna find a color that matches this, so we'll just, we'll just pick a spot and paint it from the end back. Probably just paint the end, let it blend a little bit. You know what I mean? It should be okay.
And then we'll just get it muddy, and it'll.
Yeah,
you won't even know.
You'll never know the difference.
I like it.
Okay. Where's my other little?
Got one. And you need a sip of Monster.
Yeah, sip of Monster.
Because it's mother effing monster time.
Another Monster time. I just soaked myself. God. Oh. Look at that. soaked my self. Gosh, dang it. My whole sack is wet. Is that filming?
Yes.
Doug, you're gonna have to take care of that later. You like Monster, don't you?
I like it more now.
Yeah. Here
Alright,
we go.
you
Now
know-
I gotta watch my fingers. This thing's way.
Yeah, wash your fingers. Nice.
That one was just sparks blowing back out, and I couldn't see. Okay, so I'm again off on the. I gotta really square it up.
Okay.
Let's maybe put a grinder disc on this one.
Okay.
Let's grind it. Oh yeah, look how pitted that got.
Has that condensation inside of it?
Yeah, that is.
How'd that happen?
Just from. Oh yeah, you can. Oh, you can hear it.
Yeah, I don't. Maybe put it up against a light.
Let's undo that, maybe. Yeah, look at that. I mean, that's really fucking in there, isn't it?
Yeah.
And there's got to be a way to open that up, I'm sure. So yeah, get yourself your T-square so you can see how much you got to take off. That will take off a lot of material, even that flap disc. Look at the bug in there. Hold on, let me see the bug.
I feel like an astronaut.
You're hilarious, bug.
I feel like an astronaut.
Watch your fingers, right?
Yeah, I got gloves that actually fit.
That'll tear through those gloves in a split second. The other ones it won't so much, but just watch your
But
fingers.
I can hold stuff.
Okay, just be careful, baby. Okay, look at you in your jacket. Back edge, there you go. Checker. I just keep doing a little bit like that and put that T-square on there, babe. How's she looking?
Fucking awesome, man.
See, you know, but
That-
the grinder's easy.
That was
Yeah.
really gentle.
That's
I was
easy.
preparing for
No, that
Armageddon.
won't bounce on you, hon. Just the cutting.
Armageddon in my arm.
Right, Armageddon. Yeah.
Okay.
That looks good.
All right, so
Okay, so time to hook up the welder. So I'll have to fill it in a little bit, you know what I mean?
yep.
And then grind it down so it's not hanky looking like that. So just tuck.
Tuck, 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 tuck.
And then I'll have to kind of get on the inside a little bit.
Now, do we want to fill the hole in first?
I think once it's on there, I think
What?
it'll be easier.
Okay.
And just like that, right?
I love it.
Voltage probably doesn't have to be super high. I mean, it's just to hold it on there. We really don't need it to like be penetrating a bunch either, you know what I mean? Yeah, I think we want slow wire speed and lower voltage. You ready?
I'm ready.
Oh,
What happened?
I don't think that ground is good. All right, let's try that.
Okay.
Because there's paint on it.
Oh.
Nope. There we go. Perfect.
Sweet, babe.
Oh. That sucked. Oh, boo.
There we go. That looks really good,
Yeah, you can't
babe.
even really tell.
Look at that.
Yeah.
What hole? Well done.
Okay, so you're just gonna fill in the corner,
Okay.
right? Get yourself nice and steady.
This, right?
There you go, that looks all right, right? Just do little tacks and keep checking on yourself, you know what I mean?
Yep.
Blow it out. There you go. Good job, man. It's looking good, babe. You're doing it? Look at that. You're welding that whole thing on there, honey.
I am.
I am, it says. I love it. I am.
All right, I think I'm ready, man.
Okay.
This is so freaking fun.
You want to fill in your hole while you're here right now?
Yes.
Little fills, little fills, little fills. Built, you know, just went brrr,
And then let it
and then I let it cool down for a second.
And then
then I built a little more onto it.
I'm digging it.
Okay. Yeah, just go on that inside edge towards, oh no, this edge. Go like that edge.
Oh.
So where you can get to it and then kind of build up.
I'm just not doing it.
Here, you want me to help you a little?
Yeah, I'm just not.
Let me see what you got.
I'm not doing it.
That's tricky. Oh, you're getting her. Here, I'll get her for you. I think you're doing it. Okay, Buggy's under there welding up the other side.
Here we go.
Hold your nozzle back a little bit. How's she doing? Oh,
Something's on fire.
she's good. Okay.
I missed a spot.
Okay. Just stay kind of committed, you know what I mean?
Yep. Nope. Alright, I can't do it down here.
You need me to help you?
I can't do it.
Okay.
This is too retarded for me.
Okay, I'll help you, honey.
Ah.
Okay, I'll let you take this over. I'll take this.
Got it.
All right, let me
Yeah,
see.
that's just too weird for me.
All right, let me see if I can get down here. What do you got? So you're all fucking weird. You got everything but one little teeny spot.
I couldn't get contact with it.
I mean,
Let me cover you with this jacket though, because you will get filthy. And it was splattered on my hands too. So. Oh, jacket.
okay, we're good?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Here's Buggy's welds.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
The
really
bugs weld. That was a tough weld right there. That was a tough.
I mean, I go from laying worms, straight lines, to trying to put a washer on a round cylindrical front bumper.
You did good.
You know, upside down, you know, just,
You did good.
thanks.
Caught yourself on fire a little bit.
There's nothing wrong with catching on fire, just a little bit.
Not near as aggressive as that other one.
Say, Luke, I am your father. Oh, look up. Oh, I see you.
Your weld's as good as your grind, right? Your weld's as good as your grind, baby.
Look like a scuba.
Yeah, that's Bug's welds, all standed up. And then they will look here in a second. Let's show you what they look like. Little paint on, you'll never be able to tell this bumper was 2 inches farther this way, right?
That is so awesome. How fun.
Right? Yeah.
What weld? Ooh, I love the smell of spray
Yeah,
paint.
you just hacked, welded up, ground down, and painted your
That's freaking
bumper.
awesome.
Get a shot on the side of it. She's just in line now.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Comes nicely down. I'm so proud of us that we knocked that out.
Yeah. Awesome.
It is awesome.
Isn't it? That turned out great, honey. Look at that.
How fun is that?
That's a blast. That is a blast.
Yeah, what are we gonna do next? Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave any comments below. And we'll see you next time on another day of It's a Bug's Life.
And give Buggy a big thumbs up for welding that side of the bumper. She did awesome. Good job, Buggy.
And all my love to Matt's Towing and Recovery.
Oh, that's right, you got your window hat on.
You rock.
All
See you
right.
next time. You gotta clean up the messes you make.